If you're looking for a budget laptop with powerful performance, the Acer Aspire Lite AL15-41P-R3YD is one of the most popular choices right now. But is it actually worth buying? Here's everything you need to know. The Acer Aspire Lite comes with the AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads, with boost speeds up to 4.3 GHz. Even though it's not AMD's newest processor, it still delivers excellent performance for everyday tasks, multitasking, office work, online classes, programming, and light content creation. Weighs approximately 1.7 kilograms, making it portable enough for students and professionals who carry their laptop every day. This model includes 8 GB DDR4 RAM, and the good news is that it's upgradable up to 32 GB, making it a great long-term investment. It also comes with a 512 GB PCIe NVMe SSD, providing fast boot times and quick application loading. The laptop features a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS anti-glare display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. The IPS panel offers better viewing angles than standard TN displays, while the anti-glare coating makes it more comfortable to use for extended periods, whether you're studying or working. For graphics, you get integrated AMD Radeon graphics, which is suitable for watching videos, casual gaming, photo editing, and other daily workloads. Just don't expect to play the latest AAA games at high settings. It also includes a built-in HD webcam, microphone, stereo speakers. Connectivity is another strong point. You get Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, USB-C, multiple USB-A ports, HDMI, and a 3.5mm headphone and microphone combo jack, covering almost every essential connection. Keyboard, English layout, non-backlit keyboard. The laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home, so it's ready to use right out of the box. The laptop uses a 36Wh lithium-ion polymer battery, which is a standard capacity battery designed for everyday use. It is lightweight and supports decent battery life for tasks like web browsing, document editing, video streaming, and online meetings. Pros: powerful Ryzen 7 processor for the price. Fast 512 GB NVMe SSD. Upgradeable RAM up to 32 GB. Full HD IPS anti-glare display. Lightweight and portable. Good selection of ports including USB-C. Excellent value for students and office users. If you're planning to buy a budget laptop, the Acer Aspire Lite AL15-41 is one of the best value for money options available. It offers strong performance, good upgradability, a quality Full HD IPS display, and all the essential features needed for work, study, and everyday use. For students, office users, programmers, and anyone looking for a reliable laptop without spending a premium, this is definitely a laptop worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more honest laptop reviews and buying guides.